this the coolest thing you ever saw. Granted, it's a little bit creepy, but it's really, really cool. This guy's adapting to his environment so he can eat food like a fish instead of a crayfish. The stuff that floats, that sinks to the bottom, he flips back over to eat. I'm gonna see if I can catch him flipping.
Little pinch onto you, that's how you catch him.
Those tiny little pinchers search the surface, and those really big ones, I think he's aiming to sink them or something, or at least draw them closer to him. Oh, I almost caught one there, bud. Oh, that's so cool. Now, isn't this the awesomest thing ever? See? We caught him flipping back over. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. He's now eating from the bottom of the Tupperware. Thank you. Bye.